Oh, we got some kind of GSXR behind us, I think. He must be going to bike night. He's probably thinking, look at these fucking squids. He's in full leathers. It looks like we're professionals, though. These guys don't wreck because they can wear shorts and t-shirts. So. Okay, go ahead. Jesus. Cool. There's an FZ right there. Let's see what this guy's gonna do. No, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. I guess I'll just follow this hog. No. I guess we're going right through the center of this mofo. Oh God, what if I just let my clutch fly right now by accident? Oh my God, overheat city time. So is mine. Maybe this was a mistake going through the crowd. Does it? Okay. Holy shit balls. I don't know if we want to get in to park here anyways, but I'm sure you'd be fine. Dude, it's getting tight in here. It's like going to the library. Yeah, you ain't kidding. Oh God, no. This lady, why don't she just jump on with you? I don't know. I don't know if you would, sir. Should we take a left or a right or? Holy balls. Okay. Oh yeah, this is the way to go, sir. Oh, let's just cut right through there. Straight in, yeah. Nice. Oh yeah, I better do that. Who the hell are they? Just... Oh, really? Actually go... There's a fucking pirate. These goddamn bikers. Jesus. I'm gonna cut all the way... Oh, yep, I'm cutting over so we can blast this Yui. Oh, the biggest U-turn ever. That's what happens when you follow the pole lock. What the fuck is Quiet Ride?
Dude, fucking airband from like the 80s and things, I want to feel the noise.
Oh, really? Come on, feel the noise. No shit. Oh, Quiet Riot. I'm thinking you keep saying Quiet Ride. Oh, nice. Well, I may have to come back later and drink and get fucked up and rock out. What the frick? Alright, get in the turn fucking lane. Look at this fucking guy. Hell yeah, it is.